In this video, I'm going to show you and talk about how to install O2 sensors the correct and proper way into your vehicle. If you're replacing catalytic converters, you're usually going to replace the O2 sensor as well. Now when you get your O2 sensors, you'll notice that the connectors are usually a different color. A lot of times the blue is going to be on the passenger side. Now when you are replacing your converters and O2 sensors, it's best just to do both sides, because if one's going bad, the other one's probably not too far behind. And when you're doing that, you can easily get them messed up when you're underneath the vehicle. You get a little disoriented. Always label which one goes where. I've got passenger labeled on this side. And you can label the box your O2 sensors come in. Maybe you went to AutoZone or Advanced. Right on the box, right there, which one's passenger, which one's driver. Now I know we all get in a big hurry sometimes, but before you just throw that O2 sensor in, always put anti-seize on the threads. So if in a year from now this goes bad or you need to remove it for some reason, you can easily remove it. If you don't have anti-seize on the threads, these things can really be a booger to get out sometimes. So now you've got your converters, you've got them labeled, you got your O2 sensors, you got them labeled, you got your anti-seize, you're ready to install it. Now I see guys a lot of times, they over tighten these sensors. You only need 17 foot-pounds. Now if you've ever installed spark plugs, it's basically about the same foot-pounds. But if you don't have a torque wrench, you're basically going to tighten it hand tight as you can get by hand. And then you're going to go about 1/4 of a turn. So don't over tighten these. That's all there is to it, guys. Just follow those instructions for a trouble-free install and get that vehicle back on the road. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.